Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how I fixed RCS messaging on the Samsung Messages app. Alright, let's begin. First, open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list, find Samsung Messages and open it. Now, look for the Messaging or Default Messages option and make sure Samsung Messages is selected instead of any other messaging app. After that, scroll to the top and open Manage Settings. From here, tap on Chat Settings. Inside Chat Settings, turn on Chat Features. Now, restart your phone. This step is important because it refreshes the messaging services and applies the changes correctly. After your phone turns back on, open Samsung Messages again and check if RCS or chat status is connected. So that's basically how you can fix RCS messaging on the Samsung Messages app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.